Do you want to know what freedom looks like? Just look at the special moment when these animals experience freedom for the first time. Watch them step out of their cages and into a new world full of freedom. This journey not only restores their natural lives, but also helps restore your faith in humanity once again. The female tiger has completed her rehabilitation process and is now a skilled and experienced hunter. It is now time for her to begin her new life in the wild. This opossum thought it would be trapped behind the bars forever, so it couldn't believe its eyes when it saw it was back home.
Thank you.
The ocelot was injured and received treatment to restore its health. And now, the moment has come for it to return to the wild, which it has always been eagerly awaiting. One of the cruelest things fate can do is to take away the ability to escape from the fastest animals in the world. Fortunately, there are wonderful people ready to ensure that doesn't happen unjustly. This lonely hippo was rescued from poachers and brought to a wildlife sanctuary. It must have felt like it had stepped into hippo paradise upon realizing it was safe and the only male around. When freedom was in sight, the rhino couldn't hold back its emotions and just wanted to run as fast as possible back to its home. Rescued fox cubs run in the grass for the first time. This moment is priceless. This is the UK's first polar bear cub in 25 years, taking its first steps outdoors under the watchful eye of its mother. This golden eagle was injured and fell onto a road in Arizona before being rescued and cared for at a wildlife rehabilitation center. After recovering, it was released back into the wild. It expressed its joy by majestically flapping its wings before disappearing into the stunning cliffs of Arizona. Because it was released so suddenly, the bear appeared extremely confused and anxious, not realizing that they had brought it back to its true home. The bobcat has experienced freedom and ran at an incredible speed to return to where it belongs.
Goat? Whoa! He's in a hurry now.
The black-footed ferret was returned to the wild by this man after 2 months, and it took a long time for it to realize where it belonged. This poor condor was released after many years in captivity at the zoo. Unfortunately, it took him a while to remember how to fly. Pigs are intelligent and emotional animals. Just look at this mother pig and her piglets after being rescued from a slaughterhouse. They were freed and are now happily dancing around. After a year of solitude, this python thinks this bag is the coziest place ever, until it realizes it's about to taste freedom again, thanks to a volunteer. To protect these turtle hatchlings, a non-governmental organization in Himchurry has teamed up with local people to patrol the beach at night to collect turtle eggs. The eggs are then buried in a secure area within the conservation center. Once the hatchlings are born, they will be released back into the ocean. When a massive humpback whale drifted onto a beach in Argentina, people came to the rescue. About 30 people worked for 28 hours to get the whale back to the sea, and they ultimately succeeded. The whale swam away, and those onshore prayed for its well-being. These wild coyotes were orphaned as pups and were cared for by local wildlife rescue teams until they grew up. Now, the time has come for them to return to the wild. In the end, they successfully and emotionally rescued the beluga whale and returned it to its natural home. The Texas Wildlife Conservation Society has returned the injured animals they have been caring for back to the wild. This moment is priceless. Get ready, as they will be releasing nearly 1 million pigeons all at once. The pigeons immediately take flight, filling the skies over Portugal. This elephant used to work in a circus in Thailand. Now that the elephant is old, it has been rescued and freed here by American animal conservationists. It is truly an incredibly emotional moment.
Free elephant!
For these horses, they truly belong in the wild where they can roam freely, rather than in small farms.
Yay, cream puff, finally! It's okay, off you go. We love you, but go into the ocean.
The seal seemed to have trouble believing its eyes that it had been returned to the ocean. The first steps upon returning may be wobbly and challenging, but these giraffes know a beautiful life awaits them ahead. This guy decided to release his American kestrel back into the wild. Even though they were close friends, he still did it. What a man with a kind heart. These critically endangered Siberian tigers have been released back into the wild. We hope they will thrive in their natural habitat. This condor was found with a severe injury, but today it's spreading its wings and flying again. Just look at how happy it is. This bear was injured and had to be treated at a wildlife sanctuary for a year, but it never forgot its natural habitat. The moment it was released, it was incredibly happy.